everybody, and welcome back to
Animal
3000. That was the worst intro ever.
Yep. Well, guess what? Deal with it, because I'm not filming another one.
So, Sylvie, would you like to explain what we're doing today? I mean, what you're doing, because I'm not actually going to be part of this, because I suck at this.
So I'm going to be showing you guys how to draw a horse.
Really awesomely.
And so, yeah, you're going to see it in the fast camera thing.
Except when there's something, like, really important happening, then we'll film it with this part.
So, yeah, let's see what we can do here. So, I don't know how much of this I'm actually going to use, but these are some basics that you'll want. You're going to want some sharpening pencils. These are professional pencils. I don't actually know how to use them, so we'll see how that goes. And then we have some charcoal pencils and pure graphite pencil used for extremely detailed stuff only, and these are for shading if I don't want to use my finger, but let's face it, I'm using my finger anyways. So yeah, let's go. So I don't know how much of this I'm actually going to use, but these are some basics that you'll want. You're going to want some sharpening pencils. These are professional pencils. I don't actually know how to use them, so we'll see how that goes. And then we have some charcoal pencils and pure graphite pencil used for extremely detailed stuff only, and these are for shading if I don't want to use my finger, but let's face it, I'm using my finger anyways. So yeah, let's go. Okay, so we're gonna start with the head, and the head has to be detailed. Please ignore what I'm doing with the legs. These will not be the same legs you see by the end of this video, but the head has to be extremely shaped, and since I try to draw Arabians or horses with the Arabian heritage, the foreheads are very flat and the necks are kind of short-ish. Those ears have to be small and petite. That is a general breed requirement, and don't forget that the neck kind of has to go from thin to thick. Again, ignore my front legs, please. They are so bad. And I'm going to try to move on with the back, and you have to remember that most horses have a little bit of a dip in their back, especially if you ride them, and due to my inability to proportion it correctly the first time, I have to redo his behind, or her, I don't even know anymore, and I'm just going to keep going. I have to add on a little bit to the behind because, well, horses, well, they're kind of big. They're thick animals. Again, ignore that leg. It looks like a limp noodle. Yeah, also ignore that one. That is actually angled incorrectly. A lot of people might think it looks fine. It's not. It takes a lot of angle and precision to draw a horse's leg properly. That top bump-ish thingy at the top right there is where the leg is going to start. The center one is the horse's knee. And then the bottom one right before the hoof is called the fetlock, and that connects it to the hoof. And I have to be very careful when drawing that because it doesn't always work out for me very well. And so we're going to keep redrawing those legs because, again, I have issues with that. And, yep, we're going to finally perfect them. Now the eye looks like an almond. The nose is like a teardrop, and you try to make the mouth a straight line. Now I'm going to draw the mane, and I'm going to use black charcoal. I'm going to kind of make it as long as I want and blend with my finger. And I'm going to do the same thing with the tail. And now I'm going to color the hooves black because my horse is going to be a bay horse. So the hooves are going to be black so that they stand out more. And I'm going to replace the detail I used before with charcoal and draw myself a forelock. And now comes the fun part. I'm going to shade with a regular pencil from the bottom slowly to the top of the horse's legs and color over it with brown so it has a little bit more of a bay coloring technique, and I'm just going to shade this in as evenly as I can. And as you can see, I don't shade perfectly evenly, which is what will come with that paper thing right there. That helps me blend and make it a little bit less liney. Obviously it didn't work the way I wanted to. And okay, this is the final product. I kind of made edits after this video because I couldn't stand it. But that's the next to final product. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. This has been Animal 3000, over and out.